Hey guys, good day. Another update from Pi Network. So they are adding, or they have added this passkey feature in our Pi app. Um, some sort of extra security to our Pi account. So they are rolling out in batches. So if you haven't see it yet in your account, then just wait for it to show. But at the moment, you can still add your other or update other verification or methods to secure your account, like your email or trusted email address. So here are some tweets from users over X that they've seen this new method of securing our account. I will do another video on how we can set the passkey of our Pi account once it is available in my Pi app or my Pi account. Thank you.